Good morning, my dear.
Good morning, Mom.
It's time to wake up now.
Mom, I am still sleepy.
I know, but the morning has started.
Is it already morning?
Yes, the sun is up and the birds are singing.
Good morning, son.
Please sit up in your bed slowly.
Okay, Mom.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well and deeply.
That's good to hear.
I had a nice dream.
That's lovely. What was your dream about?
I was playing in a big park.
That sounds fun. Now stretch your body.
Like this?
Yes, stretch your arms and legs.
I feel better now and less sleepy.
Good. Please get out of bed carefully.
I am getting up now.
First, let's make your bed.
Do I have to make it every day?
Yes, making your bed is important.
Why is it important?
It helps you stay organized and responsible.
Okay, I will do it.
Pull the blanket nicely and straight. I am fixing the pillow. Very good. Take your time.
My bed looks clean now.
Well done. I'm proud of you. Before we go on, let's open the window and let fresh air in. Okay, Mom, I am opening the window now. Feel the fresh air coming inside. Fresh air helps you feel awake and happy. Oh, it feels nice and cool. Yes, it helps your brain and body wake up. Now take a deep breath. Like this? In and out? Yes, very good. Breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly. I feel calm and relaxed. That is wonderful. Fresh air is very good for you in the morning. Let's do some physical exercise. Exercise in the morning? Yes, it makes your body strong and healthy. What exercise should we do? Let's start with jumping. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Jump 5 more times. I am a little tired. That's okay. Now stretch your arms. My arms feel warm. Bend and touch your toes. That is hard for me. Do your best. I am trying. Excellent. Exercise keeps you healthy. I feel energetic now. That's the goal of exercise. Now let's practice a healthy habit. Drink a glass of water in the morning. Here is my glass. I am drinking the water. Very good. Water helps your body wake up after sleeping. I feel refreshed now. That's great to hear. Healthy habits help you grow strong and feel good every day. I want to have healthy habits. And you are doing a great job already. Thank you, Mom. I am ready for the day now. I'm happy to hear that. Let's continue with our morning routine. Now go to the bathroom, please. I am going to the bathroom. Wash your face with water. The water is cold. Cold water helps you wake up faster. Oh, I am awake now. Brush your teeth carefully. I am brushing my teeth. Don't forget the back teeth. I will brush them too. Brush for 2 minutes. Okay, I am counting. Rinse your mouth well. My mouth feels fresh and clean. It's time to take a shower. Can I take a warm shower? Yes, but not too long. I like warm water in the morning. Wash your body well. I am using soap. Wash your hair too. I am washing my hair carefully. Rinse everything clean. I am done now. Dry yourself with a towel. I feel clean and fresh. That's how morning should feel, fresh and happy. Now put on clean clothes. Which clothes should I wear today? Wear your blue shirt and black pants. I like this shirt. It looks nice on you. Thank you, Mom. That makes me happy. Great. Now comb your hair. My hair is messy today. I can help you with it. Thank you, Mom. You're welcome, my dear. Now come to the kitchen. I am very hungry. Wash your hands first. I am washing my hands with soap. Sit at the table. What is for breakfast today? We have eggs, bread, fruit, and milk. That sounds yummy. Eat your breakfast slowly. I like eggs very much. Drink your milk too. Milk is good for my bones. Very smart. Do I need vitamins? Yes, vitamins help your body grow and stay strong. Can I take my vitamins now? Yes, after breakfast. I finished my food. Here are your vitamins. I took them. Good job taking care of your health. Are you done eating now? Yes, I am full. Please take your plate to the dishwasher. Okay, Mom. Put the plate inside carefully. I am putting my plate in the dishwasher. Thank you for helping at home. You're welcome, Mom. Now let's prepare your lunchbox. What is in my lunchbox today? You have a sandwich, fruit, and juice. That sounds yummy. Do you want apple slices or a banana? I want apple slices, please. Okay, I will put them in the lunchbox. Can I help you? Yes, put the napkin inside. I put the napkin in the lunchbox. Very good. Now I am adding the sandwich. It smells good. Here is your juice. Thank you, Mom. Close the lunchbox, please. I closed it. Put the lunchbox in your school bag. My lunchbox is in my bag now. After school, we will get a haircut. Really? That's exciting. Yes, your hair is getting long. I want a short haircut. That will look nice and clean. I am excited already. A clean haircut feels good. I like feeling fresh and neat. Now check your school bag. My books are inside. Do you have your homework? Yes, it is done. Do you have your lunch? Yes, it is packed. Put on your shoes. My shoes are on. Tie your laces carefully. I tied them. Are you ready for school? Yes, I am ready. Remember to listen to your teacher. I will listen carefully. Be kind to your friends. I will be kind and polite. Have a great day. Thank you, Mom. I love you. I love you too.